No time for a bath, Sylvester. We have sheep to find.
Did she say sheep? Nobody told me about sheep.
Something tells me Puddy might be allergic to wool.
Hector?
At least something cushioned my fall.
Woolen slippers I'm going to wear because they look so neat.
Now, who do you suppose would give poor Puddy a lamb's wool umbrella?
Kitty, that cold of yours sounds worse. I'll have to give you another dose of chamomile tea. Maybe I'll find some wool while we're here and knit you a nice warm sweater to take that chill off.
Well,
The smell! Something tells me there's wool in them dar hills. Jackpot! Surprise, surprise! What have we here?
Hector, stop this nonsense!
come back. It's just a little nose wash. The Aborigines got their rock back, and the bad guys were all put away.
Knit one, pull one. Knit one, pull one. Knit one, pull one. Those nice Australians rewarded us with so much wool that I can make sweaters for all of you. Hold still, Sylvester. A little wool next to the skin is the best way to get rid of a nasty cold.
Achoo! 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 Achoo!